Hey guys. So we are going to continue focusing on Native Americans and colonists. And I know we did that a few weeks ago. Then we kind of took a little break because it was the election time. So we learned more about government. But now here we are back again, especially now around this time of year where Thanksgiving's next Thursday. So not this Thursday, but the next one. And we think about how we celebrate what we are thankful for, right? And kind of the idea of this holiday came from around this time where pilgrims, or I should say colonists and Native Americans came joined together to have a feast. That was the first Thanksgiving, right? So we're continuing to learn about this relationship with colonists and Native Americans. And we want to be able to explain how colonists coming to America affected Native Americans. So, first, we need to know who Native Americans and colonists are. We do already know this, and you can look at this target if you forget. So, Native Americans are the people who lived in America first, right? Some people call them Indians. We are calling them Native Americans. And colonists are people who sailed and came over to America after the Native Americans were already there. And we are able to explain that colonists coming to America affected Native Americans, right? As they had to learn how to share and coexist together, right? Coexist means live peacefully, live without fighting. So, we are continuing to work to get to this green target. And today, I'm challenging you to think. You can think of it from either side. If you were a Native American during this time, or a colonist, what would you suggest to for everyone to do to help each other get along? Okay. So your goal today is you are trying to create a plan to help Native Americans and colonists get along with each other, be able to share and live peacefully, right? Without fighting, without anyone hurting each other. So when you go to this activity for today, this is where on Seesaw where you're making your plan. Click on add response. Okay. Click your name. And you get to choose whatever way you would like to tell us about your plan. If you want to maybe jot some notes down on paper, then tell us about it on video. Or if you want to create a drawing and type or draw it out and then use the microphone, whatever way you want. Okay. So you're thinking, how can I create a plan to help Native Americans and colonists get along? What would I suggest that plan has? Okay? There are no right or wrong answers. This is just an activity to get us our minds back on Native Americans and colonists. All right? Get to work, scholars.